Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to assign tasks to others in Microsoft To Do. So the first thing that we need to do here is to create a group or a list. So in the left side, go ahead and click on this Create Group button and add in a title or a name for it. Now, go ahead and create a new list and also type in a name for it. Once done, just go ahead and drag it to the group that you just created. Now you can go ahead and add in a task for it. So just type in one and add another task. Now that you have them, it's time to assign them. Now if you click on one task, on the right panel, you will see no option to assign it to others. So first, we need to share it. So click on this share button at the top. Then, create an invitation link. Now, you can go invite via email or copy the link. For here, I'm gonna copy it. Then, I will go to my another account. Then, just go ahead and paste it in there. Now, you need to sign in to join the list. So, the other person needs to sign in to their to-do account and then join the list. And they can now open it. And now you will see them on the list that you created. Now going back, if I click now on one task, there's now an option to assign it to another person. So I'm just gonna go and click on assign to, and then just go and choose on the person that you want to assign that task to. And that's just basically it. That's how you assign tasks to others on Microsoft To Do. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.